Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yeah, focus on me. Focus on me. Anyway, so today I'm back and I'm going to take my hair out this painting. And I'm going to be talking about I don't want to do that brand. I'm going to be talking about my vegan products. So yeah, not just vegan, but vegan and cruelty free products that I have so far. I do believe everyone should go cruelty free because animals don't wear makeup, so why use makeup on them if you're not something humans? So that don't make no sense to me. But yeah, I'm not fully cruelty free, but I do support brands that really don't use no animals. So let's start. So I'm gonna start by talking about my Elf primer, poreless primer. I like it. It does work. It does fill my pores right now. These are like markings on my face, but yeah, it's a highlight though. I like this. It really does fill in my pores. I mean, this is how it looks on my hand. I just put a little bit in my hand. So my hand's so messed up. I don't really smell too. It makes your skin feel really smooth. So that's a plus. Also, the next thing is this setting spray. This Elf Mist and Matte. I literally just did this. What? I like this. I'll spray my face with it because I didn't spray my face yet. You can see how much it spray out. See how drenched my face kind of got. But yeah, I like that because it really does mattify my skin. It makes my makeup last longer, like when I do a full face. This is just a concealer face. Also, the next thing I'm going to be talking about, I'm going to just bring out this e.l.f. highlighter. Get the e.l.f. stuff out of the way. This e.l.f. highlighter in the shade Pink Diamonds. It's definitely not an everyday highlighter, unless you think you can wear it every day. How it looks on my finger. And just swatch it on my skin. It's not bad. It only costs $3 or $4. So well, that's not bad for $3 or $4. So the next thing, the next elf thing is this matte lip liner. I really like this. Really black and pigmented. How it looks on my hand. Until it didn't dry down yet, so that's why it's still shining. But yeah. The next elf thing is this elf lash liner and brow gel in the shade medium brown. Only thing I don't like is the shade color I got. But this is how the inside looks. Yeah, I've been digging into there. Because that's what I would like to use on my eyebrows. Another elf thing is this elf clear brow gel, this one, and clear mascara. I don't really like the mascara, but the brow gel works really good. And you can see I need to get some more. It's empty. So yeah, I like that. So I got another spray I like to use. This is the Maria Badescu cucumber spray. It is cruelty free. If you look on the back, it says cruelty free. You can't see, but yeah, it says cruelty free right there. I just discovered that. I'm gonna do brushes last. Another cruelty free thing that I like to use. Where did I put my concealer? Is right here. This ColourPop Brow Boss in the shade dark brown. It broke, so I need to buy a new one because everybody want to use my stuff. So yeah, I need to get a new one. And hold on. So now we're gonna talk about concealers. I really like my LA Girl Pro concealers. These three right here. I have Beautiful Bronze. This is my highlight shade. Dark Cocoa. I use this as my face shade. Got on right now. And what's this called? Mahogany. I like these three. These are cruelty free. I looked on the website. These are cruelty free. I also like my ColourPop concealer. My no filter ColourPop concealer in shade Deep 70. when I mix it with my LA Girl Pro Concealer and Beautiful Bronze, it really works. If you saw my full coverage foundation routine, you will see that I layer my foundations. So, hold on. But yeah, the next video I do might be an update on my BTS game, Superstar game, like where I'm at right now. Even though I don't really think I should update right now because I'm not ready, but it might be the next video, so I don't know. So now I'm just gonna talk about some palettes real quick. So I have this Profusion blush palette, Studio blush palette. I really like this. It is cruelty free. You see the bunny right there. I really like this shade right here. I'm not doing the swatches, but I really like this shade right here mixed with this shade. These two are my favorite. I also like this shade right here in this Profusion Studio Contour Palette, which is also cruelty free right here. I don't use these shades. This highlighter is way too white for me. But yeah, this is how it looks. It won't look good on my skin tone. I swatched it right here. And plus, I don't like powder highlights. But I do like this brown, what is dark brown, cool tone contour. I like to contour with it. And I'm wearing a full face. I also have my Carly Bible palette. This is also cruelty free. You can see the bunny right here. I like this. I'll just show you guys how it looks on the inside. How it looks on the inside. My favorite shades, my favorite eyeshadow is this one. Because it's duochrome. It's really pretty. My favorite highlighter is this one right here, this pink one. It's really blinding. That's how it looks on me. On my hand. So yeah, that's one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. Right, this is the only cruelty free eyeshadow palette that I have right now that I know. I think I have, yeah. But I do like this Beauty Treats Out of This World Universal highlighter booklet. As you can see, it's hollow. Oh, this part right here is hollow. How it looks in the back. It has a cruelty free bunny right here. Yeah, that's how it looks. This out shade right here, this out shade, these shades, they're my favorite because they're the most pigmented. See, this has a little bit of shine. This has a little top layer where it's a little shiny. You see, I touch that side and see how shiny it is. But if I touch the middle, it's literally matte. So I don't like that. Like, I swatched this matte one. You see how matte that is? Let me swatch this. And this one is more glittery. So yeah. And the last thing I have that's cruelty free, a product. My ColourPop lippy sticks. I got the cream lippy stick and faded, the matte lippy stick and the matte Axe lippy stick in NYX, and this matte lippy stick in Grunge. I have it on right now. And I also have this ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Strut. I don't really use. And I have these two Wet n Wild pencils, lip pencils, in the shades Brandy Wine and Chestnut. This is a brown. This is just like a metallic brown. So, I'm going to talk about brushes that are cruelty free, that I know are cruelty free. This e.l.f. brush right here, this e.l.f. foundation brush is cruelty free because every e.l.f. product is cruelty free. And this e.l.f. contour brush is cruelty free. E.l.f. brushes don't really shed on me, but they do break. So, but I would rather have a brush shed than break on me. Also, out of my eyeshadow brushes, most of my eyeshadow brushes are cruelty free, like my e.l.f. ones. some more elf ones. Oh, I put my highlight brush mixed with my powder brush. Yeah, most of my brushes, my eyeshadow brushes are cruelty free. The ones I got in the brush set, the ones that look like this, with the rose gold handle right here, I got in the brush set, so I don't remember whether or not they're cruelty free. But yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel down below. I'm still trying to figure out when I'm gonna post like these. I try to post Saturdays and Sundays. I try to get one video up during the week. So yeah, if you like this video, do what I said and keep on watching my next video. I'll link down below and it'll pop up down below also. Follow me on social media. Bye.